Ever wondered how the pass-through entity tax, or PTET, is impacting business owners across the United States? Well, wonder no more. This tax is reshaping the landscape for pass-through businesses like S corporations and multi-member LLCs, offering a way to bypass the $10,000 annual limit on state and local taxes, also known as SALT. So, how does this PTET work? It's quite simple when you break it down. A pass-through entity, or PTE, decides to pay state income tax on its business income, which would typically be passed on to its owners. This tax payment is then claimed by the PTE as a federal business expense deduction. Following this, the states allow the owners to claim a credit or a deduction for these taxes, effectively sidestepping the SALT limit. This means that owners can enjoy a federal deduction against their state income tax while avoiding the $10,000 SALT limit on some or all of their pass-through income. Now onto the state updates on PTET. As of now, 36 out of the 41 states that impose income taxes have adopted some form of PTET. In the year 2023 alone, 7 states, namely Hawaii, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Montana, Nebraska, and West Virginia, have enacted a PTET. When it comes to eligibility, all states with a PTET allow partnerships, S corporations, and multi-member LLCs taxed as partnerships or S corporations to elect to pay a state PTT. However, sole proprietorships, single-member LLCs taxed as sole proprietorships, C corporations, trusts in most states, and LLCs taxed as C corporations are not eligible. It's important to note that no state except Connecticut requires a PTE to pay a state PTET. The PTE must elect to do so. The due dates for making this PTET election vary from state to state. One more thing worth mentioning is the PTET opt-out option. In most states, a PTET election is binding on all the PTE's owners, and individual owners cannot opt out. The only exceptions to this rule are Arizona, California, New York, and Utah. So there you have it, a quick run-through of the pass-through entity tax and its impact on business owners. It's a rapidly changing landscape, so staying informed is key.